Welcome to our channel, a space where we come together to seek clarity, insight, and direction through the wisdom of the tarot. Clear your mind. Focus on the financial decision you're facing. Let intuition guide you. Create a sacred space. The energy you set now shapes the clarity you receive. Card 1. Current financial energy. This card shows where your money energy stands right now. Notice symbols, colors, and feelings. They tell more than words alone. Card 2. Hidden influences. Position reveals unseen factors affecting your decision. Sometimes the challenge isn't the numbers, it's the beliefs we hold about money. Card 3. Possible outcome. Here lies the financial future, if you follow your current course. Read the spread as a story. Each card adds a chapter to your decision. Jot down impressions. They'll connect like puzzle pieces later. If something feels unclear, pull a clarifier card. It can bring the aha moment. Clarifier cards often highlight the turning point you need to see. The goal is clarity, not certainty. You still make the choice. Blend intuition and logic. Your tarot reading supports strategy, not replaces it. Look at the reading as a conversation with your future self. Subscribe to our channel for weekly tarot and money wisdom. Join us. Your path to prosperity starts here.